So hi guys, this video is all about Windows 11 and we will be discussing how to download and install this Windows. Is this the official version? If not, when it is going to be officially released, and we will be discussing some Windows 11 features. What's new in this Windows? First thing first, let's talk about its release. So guys, Windows 11 is scheduled to be released on 24th of June 2021. So how I am using this Windows 11 version now? Basically this is the leaked version of Windows 11 which is released couple of days ago. After 24th of June, all Windows users will be given an update by Microsoft through which you can easily upgrade your older versions of Windows to Windows 11 easily. To install pre-released version like this which I am using now on your PC is a very complicated task. It takes 2 days for me to install it on my PC because this pre-released version is designed for Oracle VirtualBox. But after doing some changes to this Ultra ISO file of Windows 11, now I am able to install it on my PC directly. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, here you can see the Ultra ISO file of this Windows 11. What you have to do, just simply right click and here you can see mount. From here select all, right click and select copy. Minimize it and anywhere in your PC create a new folder and name it as Windows 11 and whatever you want. Simply paste all files in here. Okay, the download link of this Windows 11 ISO will be given in the description of this video. Okay, now the setup of Windows 11 is copied in this folder. Now what we have to do, we have to download another DLL file whose link is also given in this description. Just copy this file and go to your Windows 11 folder which you have recently copied and go to sources folder and press Ctrl V or paste and replace the file in the destination. After that, go back and simply click on setup. Click on yes and wait for a while. Okay, simply click on next and it will check for some updates. In my case, I have already updated my Windows 10 to Windows 11 through this procedure. Okay, from here simply click on accept. Okay, now by clicking simply on install button, Windows 11 installation will be started. So in my case, I have already updated to my Windows 11, so I am crossing it. Okay, now let's talk about Windows 11 features. As you can see, the Windows 11 basic interface is totally changed, and you can see in old Windows 10 the menu is on the bottom left side, but in Windows 11 it is in the center of this taskbar, and you can see the Windows icon is also changed. From here on desktop you can see this PC icon is changed, recycle bins icon is changed, and here from the search bar, if you click on search bar, the search bar or Cortana, whatever, it will be open. From here you can also see the totally user interface is also changed. Desktop icon, documents icon, download music icon, each and everything is changed. The corners are not round, but in Windows 11 these corners, or you can say edges, are totally round. And from here if I right click, you can see the refresh menu, its edges are also round. And let me go to personalize. You can see the settings icon, and from here you can see the different wallpapers which are available. And okay, if I click on this icon which says edit and create, here you can see we have two new options, which is add 3D effect. Now you can add 3D effect to your photos and make it a video, and also you can add this 3D effects to your videos, and you can also add animated text. Let me add 3D text. Okay, from here you can see here are some effects which says Aurora and blizzard effect, bubbles effect. Let me add bubble effect. Okay, from here you can choose the directions of these effects. Okay, let me play this video. Oh, here you can see the bubbles are going up and down. So guys, this is a basic video in which I have told you that how to install Windows 11 on your PC easily and what are the basic features of this Windows 11.